Hey all, look, it's raining and it's raining hard. It's actually quite cool because earlier this morning it was really hot and humid. So the storm has just passed. There's still lots of clouds and it's still windy and it's a bit cold. But today we're gonna go on a plant hunt. So we're gonna hunt for plants. So I'm gonna show you the place where we buy our plants. We bought some from there just a few days ago and the plants are now inside the house, but we're gonna buy some more. Alright, so these are some of the plants that we've already bought. We got a snake plant here. And I don't exactly know what these are called. I think these are bromeliads. And this is psyllium. How do you spell psyllium? Alright, so these are some of the other plants that we bought. So we just hung them using wires. Again, I'm not sure what these are called. But this is great. And this one, I think this is gumamela. It's got a it's a flowering plant. Too bad it doesn't have any flowers right now. Alright, so we're gonna go to the plant store now. Let's see what it has to offer. Alright, we've reached our destination. Look at all those plants. We've got some really amazing plants here. So I'm now looking for a parking space. And right in front of us is the Mount Zion Memorial Park. So we're walking now to the plant area. This is the cemetery. We managed to find a parking lot over there. And that's good. So these are desert rose plants. We've got red, we've got pink desert rose plants. These are dried. We've got some pink versions here.
Gusto ko mamili ng snake plant na mas malaki.
Yo, there's lots of snake plants there. So you can ask for some landscaping designs and you get a free estimate. Dito, rock na. Ito yung binili mo eh.
Tanong mo ano pangalan?
Ha.
Anong tawag dito?
Horsetail,
Ayun.
150.
Oo, horsetail nga.
Ito tayo yan.
Cypress to.
Magkano po yan? Paano parami dito? Paano parami?
Tusok lang yan, buhay.
Kukuha ko tapos sa tusok ko.
Kakat nyo.
Alin ba ito?
Okay.
Ay, bamboo.
Bamboo to.
Eh, ganyan siya eh.
Yellow yan. Mag-iba yan, yellow yan eh. Yellow. Ayan, foxtail.
Foxtail. Lumalaki ito?
Hindi.
Ganito lang, maliit lang talaga.
Gusto ko na to. Ang ganda nito.
Look at these little flowers here. Now this tree, this is actually Kamias, otherwise known as Kalamias. It's used for cooking. Got an orchid here, no flowers yet. We got some really pink orchids here. Beautiful orchids.
Sabay ka naman kami ulit.
So this is Conching's garden. See, they have some landscaping, grotto, waterfalls, lagoon, and swimming pool design. Ano ito eh? Pine? Pine yan. Baguio pine. It's Baguio pine. Now it's amazing how this plant can survive here in Metro Manila because it's not cold unlike Baguio. So I guess it's adapted. This is a bonsai plant. Ficus. This is made of cement. You can put this in your garden and you can just leave it there because it's made of cement. It doesn't rot. Oo.
That's the rubber.
Parang ficus to, no? Ito? Ficus?
Rubber dito.
Oh,
Kabilang dito sa Picos.
oh, ito yung lumalaki.
Ito po, kabilang dito sa Picos.
Ayan. Oh, medyo lumalaki dito, no?
Triangular. Pwede kung hindi mo palaki, hindi.
Nalagay sa paso, no?
Sige po sa pasok. Ang dami po.
Pero malaking masyado.
Yung sinasabi mong gusto mo, to? Ay, yung pala yun. Ayan. Malaki yan, higante yan.
May bago na nagustuhan. May lavender, ang bango. 200.
Lavender?
Bigla na buhay eh.
Ito buhay eh.
Na-turn off na ako eh. Magkano pong ganito?
Yan po. Sige po, 300 po. Makapal po yan.
Hiwa-hiwalay. Magkakagalit
Marami
na
po
eh.
yan, marami. Wari ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 yata eh.
Ang dami eh. Look at this, oh. Pink leaves. So when the new leaves come out, they're pink. It's a variegated plant and the new leaves come out pink.
Yung ano namin dun sa money tree na.
So this is the Cadena de Amor, the chain of love.
Wow, ang dami.
Sinaplag pa kita.
Look at this. Look at those tiny cute flowers.
Size niya wala na bang malaki. Eto, 150.
Ayan, nililipat na. Kailang bawasan na.
Ito po kahit walang ugat na bubuhay. Kahit po tusok lang.
Yay! My first plant.
Oh, first plant mo itong binili?
Yup.
Ayan, ganun mag-transfer ng plant. Ayun ba?
Kabigat?
Mabiga?
Ibabaw ng bubong.
Mas mabilis sa'yo si ate. Nag-overtake sa'yo. Ah.
Lalagay namin.
Doon sa harap.
Nakakabusog ng mata.
Ah.
Yan, sa susunod pupunta na kayo dito.
That's all our purchases. And more here.
Hindi ako nakabili nun. Ay, ako saan ko nabili yun? Saan ko nabili lakay?
So we're full. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Gotta take shelter. So I guess I'm gonna end the vlog now. So I hope you enjoyed joining us buy some plants here in Rizal. And keep safe always and see you next time.